without feeling like somebody's gonna rob you.
Well, that's everywhere you go. Oh my God! You very dodgy. Don't say it like that, dude. 3 hours and we still can't make it.
Be a break game because I walked all the way.
The wing's you.
Island.
Oh, gotcha.
You gotta follow it exactly.
Probably good to Staten Island guys. They come. I was like, it's not bad getting from Staten Island up there. And today was fucking stressing me out.
Nice. Oh! I want to see how you do this thing. No pressure.
Oh, this.
No pressure, got your cap.
No, it's okay. I'm okay with cameras.
But we're getting better with the cameras.
I'm okay with the cameras. Just like you can bring MGM here. Oh. Yeah, this I don't know. I have to figure this one out.
Yeah, you gotta lay the truck down. Like literally lay it down. Yeah?
Yeah.
It's gonna look like it's gonna fall, but it's not. Once that body touches, it's gonna hold you up. Yeah? Chasing. That's the back tire, Dima.
The body?
If you wiggle it,
Body.
the back falls down. Oh, so I forgot you have fucking forward steer.
Steer, man.
You could move around the cone.
Yeah.
Nice.